Are you looking to transform your wooden surfaces into works of art? Look no further. Introducing our exceptional wood painting services, where we bring life and vibrancy to your doors, windows, wooden floors, decks, furniture, and more. At GORI Sri Lanka, we pride ourselves on delivering professional wood painting services that exceed your expectations. We understand that each wooden application is unique and requires specialized care. That's why we exclusively use GORI Scandinavian woodcare solutions from Denmark. GORI is renowned worldwide for its premium quality and innovative formulas, ensuring a long-lasting and beautiful finish for your wooden surfaces. As the exclusive local representative for GORI woodcare solutions in Sri Lanka and the Maldives, we guarantee that our services are backed by extensive knowledge and expertise. Our team of highly skilled professionals will take care of your wood painting needs with utmost precision and attention to detail. Whether you want to revitalize a tired wooden floor, give your furniture a fresh look, or protect your outdoor decks, our comprehensive wood painting services have got you covered. So why wait? Trust the experts at GORI Sri Lanka for all your wood painting needs. Contact us today at 076 826 6031 to schedule a consultation and bring new life to your wooden spaces. The Scandinavian Woodcare Experts, www.gori.lk.